So today we will discuss about some more other drugs from topic carminatives, that is cinnamon. Synonym is cinnamon bark, kalmi, dalchini or Ceylon cinnamon. Biological source, it is dried inner bark of shoots of coppice trees of Cinnamomum zeylanicum family Lauraceae. So what is the synonym? Cinnamon bark, kalmi or dalchini. Everyone knows kalmi, dalchini. And biological sources, this is the inner bark and which is from coppice trees of Cinnamomum zeylanicum and family is Lauraceae. Now in case of cultivation and collection of this plant, cultivation can be done by vegetative propagation method or seed sowing method. So you can cultivate the plant just by sowing seed in the field or by vegetative propagation method. In that, nursery beds are raised and in the month of June or July and in the month of near about November, October, November, the seedlings are transplanted in the field. So this one is the another method, and or just by sowing seeds, or sometimes stems are also used for propagation method. It needs now the various conditions of soil, altitude, rainfall which are required for the drug. They are, it requires siliconous soil with an admixture of humus. So it requires water or humid soil, humus. Altitude 800 to 1000 meter altitude is favorable for its growth and cultivation. Rainfall, it requires about 250 to centimeter rainfall. Seeds are sown at a distance of 10 centimeter. So if we are cultivating these plants by seed sowing method, then seeds are sown by keeping a distance of 10 centimeter and the seeds will germinate within 20 days and it is grown for 10 to 12 months in nursery bed, and after 12 months then they are transplanted in the field by keeping a distance of 2 meter in between them. So when we are using a seed sowing method for its propagation, nursery beds are raised, in that seeds are sown by keeping a distance of 10 centimeter, and when they are germinated within 20 days, they are allowed to grow for about 10 to 12 months. After that, they are transplanted in the field by keeping a distance of 2 meter between the plant. In that, proper weeding is done, proper water supply or irrigation should be given, and manures are also used, that is ammonium sulfate or superphosphate. These are the manures which are used in cultivation of cinnamon. Now trees are coppiced to induce the formation of shoots. So the small branches are regularly cut, that is known as coppice trees, so that there will be formation of shoot will takes place. Now the trees grow, allowed to grow until there is uniform brown by formation of cork. When there is formation of proper cork, that is brown color cork, up to that the trees are allowed to grow and proper irrigation, manure, weeding is done regularly. Now the harvesting is done when the proper brown color bark will produce, Then the harvesting is done in rainy season, and the bark is peeled off from the shoot. The bark is peeled off from the shoots. Longitudinal incisions are made on shoots, and then they are turn off or peel off the strips, thus it produces bundles. So when the bark, brown color bark is produced, it will pulled off. After pulling off, then they are peeled off, or the strips are rolled or wrapped in bundles. Wrapped in bundles. Now it will allow to ferment for 24 hours. When they are wrapped in bundles, they are allowed to ferment for 24 hours. Fermentation results in loosening of outer cork and cortex. What will happen during the fermentation process? Now the bundles are prepared. Now these bundles are fermented. When these are fermented, then the outer cork portion and cortex portion is removed. Just it is by scraping by using knives. During drying, the bark gets converted into quill. So during drying process, it will converted into quills. The quills are smaller quills are inserted into larger quills to form a compound quill. Now the quills which are smaller in size, they are inserted in the quill which are larger in size, and in this way compound quills are prepared. Now the drug is dried in shade over the mats. The quills are collected, packed in bundles of different grades, and are ready to sold. So this is the cultivation and collection of cinnamon. Now macroscopic characters. So this is the quill, and in that you can see here the smaller quills, they are inserted into the larger quills. Now macroscopic characters, in that color, outer surface is dull yellowish brown and inner surface is dark yellowish brown in color. When you see the color, what is the color? Outer surface is dull yellowish brown and inner surface is dark yellowish brown. So outer surface is lighter whereas inner surface is darker. Order fragrant, shape, compound quills, size 1 meter in length and 1 centimeter in diameter. What is the size? 1 centimeter in diameter and length is about 1 meter. Taste aromatic and sweet followed by warm sensation. So when you will eat the cinnamon, it will shows aromatic taste followed by sweet taste. Fractured, splintery. Microscopic character, cork and primary cortex absent, prominent sclerenchymatous pericycle, phloem fibers, biseriate medullary rays, secretory cavities contain volatile oil. Cortical parenchyma contains starch grain, medullary rays, calcium oxalate crystals and parenchymatous cell. So when you are taking a transverse section and you will find under the microscope this type of structure, you will find the drug is inner bark of coppice trees. So for that reason the outer primary cortex and cork region is absent, but some few cork cells are there. So this portion is known as cork cell, which is followed by cortex. Cortex is made up of parenchymatous cells and which contains starch grains. These are the starch grain. These are the parenchymatous cell which contains starch grain. Then these are the scleroid tissues which is followed by scleroid tissues. and these are the phloem fibers, and there are layers of biseriate medullary rays. So these are the medullary rays, and they are biseriate, having two cell layer is there. So biseriate medullary rays are there, and these are the secretory or oil cells which contains volatile oil. These are the oil cells which contain volatile oil. Also it contains calcium oxalate crystals. So this is about the microscopy of cinnamon. Now chemical constituent: 0.5 to 1% volatile oil, 1.2% tannins, flavotannin, methyl, calcium oxalate, starch, mannitol. Important chemical constituents are eugenol, benzaldehyde, cuminaldehyde, and other terpenes also. So this is the structure of eugenol. It is the important chemical constituent from this drug. Uses: it is used as carminative, stomachic, and mild astringent, flavoring agent, stimulant, aromatic, and antiseptic. Also used as a spice and condiment. Now another drug we are going to study is nutmeg. Synonym of nutmeg is myristica or Nux mochata. What is the synonym? Myristica. Biological source: it is the dried kernel. It is the dried kernel of seeds of Myristica fragrans or family Myristaceae. Family is Myristaceae. Now cultivation and collection of nutmeg. Nutmeg trees, these are grown on tropical island, mostly in Asia. These are found in islands and in Asia region. The trees can reach the height of about 20 meters, but are normally between 8 to 12 meters. And you can see here the fruits are grown on this plant. These are cracked open, and the nut inside can be ground into nutmeg. So inside that kernel you will get a nutmeg. Microscopical character: color greenish brown or brown in color. Odor: it is used as flavoring agent, so strongly aromatic odor. Taste: pungent and aromatic taste. Size: 20 to 30 mm in length and 20 mm broad. Shape is ellipsoidal shape. You can see the shape here. This shape is ellipsoidal shape. Chemical constituent: it contains about 5 to 16% volatile oil and about 30% fat. It contains 30% of fat and 5 to 16% volatile oil. The volatile oil content are myristicin, elmicin, and saffron. These are the important chemical constituent from this drug. And fatty acid or fat portion, it is made up of fixed oil, myristic, palmitic, oleic, and lauric, and other acids are also there. It is the constituent of fixed oil, and that fixed oil is made up of various type of acids: fatty acids, palmitic acid, oleic acid, myristic acid, lauric acid. All these are the fatty acids, and which will form a 30% fat of that drug. Now uses: it is used as stimulant, carminative, flavoring agent, aromatic in rheumatism and in soap industry. Substitutes or adulterants are there: Myristica mulberrica, Myristica argentea, Myristica bed. Now nutmeg, you can see the uses of various parts of this fruit. The leaf portion is used as insecticidal agent and it is used as flavoring agent because it is having a good flavor. In many sweet preparation you are using as a flavoring agent, as well as it is used in cosmetic form as a medicinal purpose. The fat portion is also used as cosmetic, and apart from that the leaves are used for insecticidal purpose. So these are the two drugs we have studied. First one is cinnamon and second one is nutmeg.